Hey, hello there. Today's Leetcode challenge question is called power of 2. We have to write a function to determine if an integer number is a power of 2. 1 is 2 to the 0, 16 is 2 to the 4, 218, whatever that is, it's not a 2 to the some power. It's a very well-known bit manipulation question. Just recall how binary number works. Let's say that we have a binary number 1101. So if we convert this into decimal numbers, it will be 1 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 4 plus 1 multiplied by 8. That's going to be 148, so it's a 13. So each bit position here is corresponding to actually a power of 2. This is 8's location, this is 4's location, 2's location, and 1's location. So when we look at the digits here, one at a time, we basically multiply the number by the power of 2 it's representing in the decimal to do this conversion. So for an integer number to be a power of 2, the binary representation would just have a single 1 bit in the whole thing. So to test for this, we could just try to remove that only 1 bit. If we cancel that, we get a 0, 0, 0, 0 everywhere. It means that this number is a power of 2. So let's say that we have 0, 1, 0, 0. That's now x here. One thing that we can do is to subtract by 1. So that would just be 0, 0, 1, 1. And if we do an AND operation between these two, it will be 0, 0, 0, 0. It's 0 everywhere. So all we need to do to determine if a number is a power of 2 is to do the AND operation between the number and the number subtracted by 1. If the result come up to be 0, that means the original x is the power of 2. One special case we need to take care is the number being positive. Positive. If it's a 0, it's not a power of 2. So that's pretty much it. We're just gonna return 0 is, n is larger than 0, and it's n. Doing an AND operation with n minus 1. This thing is gonna be equal to 0. So yeah, so that's that should be the code, right? Okay, yeah, so pretty simple. So yeah.